Hey, what's up guys? I am Vashish Kapoor from vashishkapoor.com and today we are going to talk about Contabo. Contabo has recently released NVMe storage VPS without any extra cost. So let us discuss what is the difference between the NVMe VPS and the SSD VPS. To basically compare both these VPS servers, I will first buy one NVMe and one non-NVMe storage server and show you the downloading and uploading speed using the speed test CLI. So let's go ahead and see how you can order an NVMe VPS on Contabo. So normally you just need to go to the VPS, high performance VPS, and there you will find all the normal options, right? Now here you can select any of the VPS plan you want to start with based on your budget. And as you can see, for this $6.99 plan you will get either 50 GB of NVMe storage or 200 GB of SSD. So if you want NVMe storage, you can consider this one. So when you will select this, you will find all the details about this. You can choose NVMe here, which is this, right? And you can also choose the location. Now to quickly make your order, you just need to make sure all your requirements are met in the plan. You have checked the right region. You have chosen NVMe storage and the free option over here. And also you have selected Ubuntu or CentOS or any of your preferred option over here. And then you will click on next. If you are a new user, you can simply create your account by filling up all your information here and click on next. And in the next section you will have to make a payment, and once you pay the invoice, your VPS server will be activated within a day or within a few hours. So guys, I have already got two VPS set up. One is NVMe storage VPS and the second one is normal SSD VPS. So to quickly test the speed of two servers, I will log into both servers one by one. So guys, as you can see, I have already logged into both the servers. On my left it is the NVMe storage VPS and on the right it's a normal SSD storage VPS server. So on the normal VPS, I have already installed the speed test CLI. So I will quickly show you the same thing on the NVMe storage as well. You will have to do that on the both of them if you want to test it out. So I will quickly type the command sudo apt install speed test -CLI, and once you hit the command, it will install the speed test CLI. Now I will clear the screen, and in the both terminal windows I will quickly type speed test and start testing the speed. So now is the easiest way to test the speed of any web server, the download and upload speed. This will give you a quick feel of how fast a server can perform. So you can do this a few times to understand how quickly any of the server works. So guys, as you can see, the results are right in front of our screens. Comparing both the servers, NVMe speed is much faster in the second test. In the first test, the download speed of the NVMe storage VPS was just 389 megabyte per second, while normal SSD server was beating that speed. But in the second test we found out that the download speed is much higher. It's 580 megabytes per second, and the normal VPS is just 428 megabyte per second. So this is just the network test of NVMe versus normal SSD VPS. So guys, as we are testing the storage speed of both these VPS, we would also need to test the writing speed and the read speed of the disk. So let's go ahead and use these two commands to check the read and write speed. Let's just first check the writing speed of the disk. I will copy this command and paste in both the servers one by one. Left is NVMe. Okay, let's hit it 5 times. Second, third time, fourth time, and the 5th time. So we hit this command 5 times, and out of 5 times the highest speed was 902 MB per second. Okay, we will hit the same command with the normal SSD server to check its write speed. It took a bit of time. Second time. Third time. As you can see, the prompt is coming very slow. So basically the writing speed of the normal SSD is not more than 200 megabytes per second. So that is why this NVMe storage VPS is clearly outperforming the normal SSD server. So the highest speed normal SSD server is giving me is just 180 megabytes per second, while the NVMe storage is giving me 900 megabytes per second. So let me type this. Highest speed of NVMe storage is 902 MB per second, while in the normal VPS I'm getting around 180 megabytes per second. So this is the write speed. Now let's just test out our server's reading speed. So this is disk read speed, and here's the command for that. Okay, now I will clear the prompt first. Now I will first run in the NVMe storage 5 times once again. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So I can see this is really quick. Once I hit enter, it doesn't take any moment to give me the prompt of the speed. And let's type the same command in the normal SSD server 5 times. So as the results are right in front of our screen, that the highest read speed of the NVMe storage server is 8.8 GB per second, while in the normal SSD server it is just 7.4 GB per second. So let me write this down as well. Okay, so the results are clear to us that NVMe VPS has highest speed in terms of network and in terms of reading and writing speed as well. So guys, this was it from my side about Contabo VPS comparing NVMe storage versus the normal SSD servers. So results are right in front of your screen. You can see simply NVMe storage VPS will be the winner. It has the highest write speed and the read speed as well. So I will recommend you to get an NVMe storage VPS from any provider. Basically Contabo is the cheapest VPS provider when you look around. If you learned something new, please like my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and also make sure to hit the bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.